Let's face it, when it comes to recessions or when we are in a panic, we tend to sell our stocks. We don't do investments. We just completely run away from it. But people don't realize this honestly is the best time for wealth building. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can build massive amounts of wealth during a recession like the one we're about to go through. So what's up? I'm Brandon Young, and on this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, I understand. You're scared. You don't know what's gonna happen next, but let's start this video off with one of my favorite quotes by Warren Buffett, which is, be fearful when people are greedy and be greedy when people are fearful. Now, honestly, you can see people are selling off their stocks. They're not doing any types of investing right now. Everybody's just scared shitless. They're inside. They're not doing anything at all, just watching the news. But while everybody is being fearful at this very moment, it's your time to be greedy. The first item that we have on this list is blue chip dividend stocks. Now, I'm sure a majority of you know what a stock is, but you tend to hear this term blue chip stock, and pretty much it is a company with a natural reputation for just being a well-known company that tends to do good whether times are good or bad. And typically that's all it is. Now, usually these blue chip stocks, they offer dividends, and this is what you're looking for because a dividend is pretty much going to be a passive amount of income that you can get in times of hardship and uncertainty. Now, what I love about these blue chip stocks and during the recession time is they will tend to decrease in the amount of price that they cost. So this might be your time to stock up on some more dividend sharing stocks, and as well as take those dividend earnings and use them to reinvest into the actual stock. So after having these stocks for maybe 15, 20 years, you'll start to see that massive growth is happening, and as well as keep on investing in it and allow it to grow. Now, the next one that we have on this list is precious metals. Now, do keep in mind that you are not going to get rich from this. The main purpose of having precious metals in your portfolio and to build wealth is for diversification purposes. Now, one of the main reasons why people love to invest in precious metals is because it's one of the only real forms of money left in the world. And they pretty much consider it something called hard money. Now, with hard money, it's pretty much something that it takes effort to create. Now, fiat money, which is like dollars and currency, that is considered soft money because obviously the US government doesn't take that much effort to create it. They can just keep on printing it. Now, one of the other major reasons why people enjoy this hard money or precious metals is because it really stacks up in times during inflation, as well as the price usually tends to increase during times of recession when people are scared, because obviously hard money is something more precious and can't be easily created compared to soft money. Now, I want you to keep in mind, once again, this is not a way to build fast money. It is more so a way for you to make sure you have a diverse portfolio. You don't want to put all your money into one thing. Diversify. Now, the next one that we have on the list is by far my favorite, as you can see how happy I am, and that is real estate. Now, with real estate, obviously, no matter how times get bad, people are going to need somewhere to live. So obviously, it makes the most sense to get some type of property, as well as it is a great way to build wealth. Now, I'm going to give you an example of real estate. So say maybe 3-4 years ago, you bought a property for $50,000. And with that property, you incur about maybe $1,200 of rental income a month. Now, fast forward 5 to 6 years, that same property that you bought for $50,000 is now worth maybe $100,000 to $110,000, as well as you're getting about $1,200 a month from rent. Now, what that is doing for you is, one, it's helping you to get some type of income coming in. So you're getting that rental income in every single day. So you're getting cash flow, which is awesome. Cash flow is passive income that we all can use. 2, you can also do capital gains. So as you know, you bought that property for $50,000 and right now it's worth $110,000 to $120,000. So if you sell the property, you're going to make money that way as well. Why wouldn't you want to be in control of an asset that most likely is going to gain in value as well as can passively make you income month after month while building your wealth? Sounds like a no-brainer to me, honestly. Now, the last one that we have on this list is very underrated, but I'm gonna need to tell you this, and that is to invest in yourself. Now, honestly, I'm an advocate for always learning new skills and always trying to be the best version of myself. And honestly, a lot of times we kind of get stagnant when we're in jobs or when we're doing the same thing day after day, year after year. But if you have lost your job, I'm so sorry to hear that. But if you got laid off, this is an opportunity to invest in yourself, to learn new skills, to update your network, to just do things out your comfort zone and to just increase your knowledge at the moment. Because if you increase your skills, then you ultimately will increase your bank account. So take this time, if you may have got laid off and you're at home working, take this time to, work your regular job or do what you do on a daily basis. But you have this time at home now. Try to find new skills in your field or new skills in general that can help you to create more wealth or build more income for yourself. Because ultimately, when you create more wealth for yourself or more income for yourself, you can use that income to build your wealth faster. And isn't that all what we want? Are there any other ways that you would build wealth? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to go give this video a like and go subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm Brandon Young and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.